Hey everyone, it's Carabella. Welcome back to another workout. Today we're going to be hitting some indoor cardio. So grab your jump rope. I've got 4 exercises picked out for us. These are going to be so good. So get ready to sweat. Before we get started, don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. Let's get into the workout. Starting off with a quick warm-up, we're just going to do regular jumping rope. So you're going to do a jump rope and it's usually 2 hops. So rope, 2 hops, rope, 2 hops. This is going to be for 1 minute just to get our bodies warmed up. Take your time and relax. Give yourself a 10-second rest. Moving into quick hops, right here you want to accelerate the speed of the rope. You should only have 1 jump, so your feet should only jump up once. The quicker you can get the rope around, the faster, the better. We're trying to accelerate that heart rate and do some cardio today. This is going to be 1 minute as well. Let's get it. Take a 10-second break. Next up, we have side to side. So for this exercise, it's going to be a little bit challenging because it's kind of like patting your head and rubbing your stomach, right? You're moving your feet from side to side in a shuffle formation, but you're trying to keep the rope just going straight and consistent. So focus on your footwork. This is what I do. You focus on where your feet are going and then your arms just do the regular, they'll do the rest for you. We're going to do this for 1 minute. Take a 10-second break. Next up, we have alternating feet. So for this exercise, we're just going to do 1 foot at a time. So you're hopping on 1 foot, do a jump rope, and then you're going to switch feet, pivot feet. This one's a little bit challenging because if you don't lift your foot up high enough, the rope just continues to get stuck. So try to focus on your footwork here as well. We've got 1 minute. Great job. Take a 15-second break. All right, next we're gonna be doing all those exercises again for 2 minutes. So starting off with the warm up, we've got 2 minutes here. Give yourself a 10-second break. Let's get into quick hops again. Go as fast as you can. So we already warmed up a little bit. Now you want to pick up the pace and go faster. We've got 2 minutes here. Take a 10-second rest. Moving into side to sides, make sure you're focusing on that footwork. Hopping from side to side, you should see that you're moving from side to side. It's not a small pivot, it's actually quite large. My calves were burning after this one, but we've got 2 minutes here. If you can, by the way, not take any breaks, that would be better. I put breaks in here just because it's more realistic. Not all of us can do jump rope for that long. So if you need to take your breaks, take your breaks. But if you don't have to take breaks, then I recommend just going through with it and skipping the breaks. Take a 10-second rest. Last but not least, we're going to do some alternating feet again. Make sure you bring in one foot up. So one foot up, switch it out. Focus on that footwork so you don't get caught up in your rope. I got caught in my rope so many times during this exercise. We've got 2 minutes here. We're almost done. And that's the workout. It's a quick workout today, you guys. It's just cardio indoors, so you really have no excuses. You don't have to go for a run or anything crazy. You just need to jump rope. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.